And moving ahead, I would like to know what are your future plans in terms of spiritual services?
Yes, sir. Spreading meditation is unending work, sir. Correct. It continuously. And what I am doing at present, that is important to me. And of course, till last my breath, I do my spiritual work, spiritual campaign. I do meditation and I spread the meditation. Patriji said, doing meditation is unending joy. Correct. Spreading of meditation is unending work. And he spoke 3 truths in 2002 magazine. You won't get what you desire. Only you get what you deserve.
You won't get what you desire, but you will get what you deserve.
What you deserve.
No matter what you do.
No matter what you do. This is the beginning of doing meditation. In the latter days, you don't get what you deserve. Only you get what you need. In the latter, you don't get what you need. You get those things needed for the society through you. The 3 truths which was published in Andhra Pradesh in the year 2002.
2002, long back.
Long back. Yeah. I did go through it, and it was a great impact on me.
So it impressed you a lot.
Impressed a lot.
So you will continue your work spreading meditation. As you said, it's endless work, and whatever you know you want to share with people. You want to spread the word of Patriji. You want to spread the 18 guiding principles of PSM to each and everyone in your life, right?
Yes.
Now we'll talk about when we are in PSSM, we call everybody a master. So who is a master? What are the qualities which define a true master?
Nice, sir. Nice question. Thank you. To become a master, and those who are thirsty for spiritual ascension, there are a few qualities one should adopt. And the master who doesn't criticize or curse others, the master who doesn't compare himself with others, the master who complain about others. He lives in total freedom. He maintains aloneness. He spends time in nature and with children. The master. I am saying about the master. And he forgives. And he thankfulness. He always say thanks.
He is grateful.
Grateful. Also every time he is grateful towards the things and people and situations which are around him. And he overcomes his lust by being contentment. He overcomes lust by being contentment. Contentment comes from understanding. Understanding comes from energy. Energy comes from meditation.
Lovely. Perfect.
He overcomes anger by forgiving. He overcomes greedy being generous. He overcomes attachment by being had total acceptance. And he appreciates others to overcome jealousy. Amazing. And he overcomes his ego by saying always thank you, thank you, thank you. And the master who is always truthful and trustworthy to himself. And he lives in compassion, he lives in simplicity, and he lives in patience. And the important thing does a master do is he is realistic in his speech. He uses the powerful of his word in the direction of love and truth.
Amazing.
He speaks with integrity. He appears to be like a mirror. The master who is away from making assumptions of fears, accidents, deaths, diseases and dangers happen in the society. It does not make assumptions. This is a great quality of a master. And he always sees divine beauty in things. You always see divine beauty. This is one of the great qualities of a master. And he always do selfless service with restful mind and restful body.
Perfect.
These are the qualities of a master.
Amazing, really amazing.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Cannot be better than this, the way you explained it. A master is truly an epitome of humanity, I would say, simply.
Yes, sir.
So when we talk about love, compassion and meditation, we cannot ignore the name of Jesus. What is your say about it?
He's a wonderful master, sir. Jesus is a very great master. According to him, breathe in the belly.
Breathe in the belly.
In the belly. Breathe in the belly. Let it rise through the ribs.
Let it rise through the ribs.
Through the ribs. Take a final sip of air in the throat.
Take a final sip of air
in the throat.
In the throat.
Breathe out.
Breathe out.
The way.
The way
it came.
It came. Wow. Really amazing. So how do you explain it?
And he fasted for 40 days. He did this for 40 days. So Jesus did meditation, and after that he became a great master. Breathing air. Breathing air is the same as Jesus.
Right.
I am the air in your breath, said by Jesus. According to Jesus, we cannot judge whether a man is a fool or wise, because his acts may be the same.
So moving ahead, now we spoke about a lot of literature. We spoke about Osho, we spoke about Jesus, and we cannot ignore Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So what's your understanding of Gita? Like, if you can tell our viewers few words or few sentences about it, how it talks about meditation.
In one shloka, Lord Krishna says, strive to be a yogi. Yogi is supreme of all kinds of people on earth. So strive to be a yogi. And focus on your action, not on result. Be fearless. Everything is temporary. Be a light unto yourself.
Right.
You have to grow from the inside out. No one can make you spiritual. No one can teach you. No other teacher but your own soul.
That's how Patriji says that your breath is your guru.
Yes, your breath is your guru. Right, wonderful, sir.
Lovely. So these are the main teachings from Gita that we can, inculcate and practice in our lives. We have to see in ourselves in order to get enlightenment, in order to get the ultimate satisfaction, in order to get the ultimate life. Now, before we close this discussion, what is your message to our viewers?
In the conclusion of this interview, I give a message to the viewers. Do meditation regularly, sincerely, with patience. Do have spiritual meetings with spiritual beings to update spiritual knowledge. Do self-check about your spiritual progress. Listen to others patiently and speak when it is useful, necessary and truthful. Vitalize your vision and create what you want with your consciousness. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. That was really a powerful message to all our viewers that you need to be spiritually awakened. You need to spread love and compassion. You need to be vegetarians. You need to do meditation. That's very important. And most importantly, you have to be thankful for everything, whatever is around us, whatever we have been gifted by the universe. And one more important thing is that we need to spread the word of Patriji to each and everyone. Thank you so much for joining, sir. It was a pleasure to have you on our board. and a great conversation with you. I learned a lot of information I came to know from you, and this was really truly Sajjana Sangatya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I also express my deep sense of gratitude to you and to PMC English channel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Pandurangam Narmeta, spiritually enlightened senior pyramid master and in charge of Pyramid Party of India's Siddipet Assembly constituency. He is the head of the department for first year of B.tech Humanities and Sciences department at Indur Institute of Engineering and Technology in Siddipet. After he started meditating, he has the honor to build a rooftop pyramid in less than 3 months, and he has been lecturing many spiritual classes in and around Siddipet.